the GOO.GL system, after you create a shortened URL, and it will be saved as the data in your account. But remember, you have to sign in with your Gmail. And with this account, it will be show you the clicks, which means the posting link or the website link, total how many people click it and view. For example, this is my website link. I got shortened it into this, and now total I have 249 people view my website. You can get the QR code, you can get the analytics data. Besides that, you can download all the report as a CSV file as well. So when you click the analytics data, it will be let you know where all the clicks come from. It's from referrals, it's from browser, it's from Facebook, and it will be show you their countries as well. See, I have US customer visit my website. I have India, and majority they are from Malaysia. Okay, that's all about GOO.GL analytics data.